Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW A70. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, and from this menu you've got access to all of your display settings. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change brightness level manually, enable or disable screen portrait orientation lock, change contrast, and color of the display, change automatic screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable eye comfort mode, dark mode, change wallpaper, enable or disable desktop drawer mode, change font size, display size, enable or disable head-up, screensaver, and manage lock screen. From this menu, you can manage notifications on lock screen, add text on lock screen, enable or disable show lockdown option, and wake screen for notifications. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.